everyone, today we are going to learn about concept of number. So first we'll see what is number. Number is used for seeing how many people or things there are. It means with the help of number we can count people or things. Look at this picture and observe it carefully, and related to this you have to give answer. So what is the first question? How many moon is there in the picture? We can see here only one moon is given. So we'll write in answer only 1. So what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Next question. How many houses are there in the picture? Let's count with me. 1, 2. So we'll write over here 2. And what is the spelling of 2? T-W-O 2. How many trees are there in the picture? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees in the picture. We can write in number 3 like this. And what is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. How many lotuses are there in the picture? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write in number like this 4. And what is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R 4. Next question. How many mangoes are there on the tree? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 mangoes. So you can write in number like this 5. And what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. Next question. How many stars are given in the picture? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write like this 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X 6. How many apples are there on the tree? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write like this 7. And what is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. Next question. How many fish are there in the pond? Now let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll write like this 8. And what is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. How many red flowers are there in the picture? Can you see red flowers? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 red flowers are there. So how to write 9? Like this. And what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E 9. Now students, we move further that concept of 0. Now look at this picture. What you all can see? You can see there are 3 birds sitting on a tree, right? So, out of these 3, if one bird flies away, now how many birds are left? 1, 2. Out of these 2 also, one bird fly away. Now, how many bird is left? Only 1. If that bird is also flies away. Now, how many birds are left? Can you see? No, there is no bird. When there is no bird on the tree, we see that there are 0 birds on the tree. 0 means nothing. How you will write 0? Like this. You all have learned numbers up to 9. So let's quickly revise till number 9. 1, 2. What comes after 2? That's 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 8? 9. We didn't put here 0. 0 comes before 1. So we'll put over here. Now it's complete. 0 to 9. Now students, if I will ask compare numbers which is greater and which is smaller, how will you come to know? If you do not know, I will give you solution. Number line. Yes, with the help of number line, we will come to know which number is greater or which one is smaller. You can see on screen number line. Number line always starts from 0. The number closer to 0 is known as smaller number. As you move away from 0, the number become greater. Let's take an example of numbers 4 and 6. As you can see that 4 number is closer to 0. 6 number is far away from 0. So, we'll write as 4 less than 6. Just now we have seen that 4 is closer to 0. So, that 4 is smaller than 6. Sign has to be put by seeing the first number only. If in that same numbers 6 is written as first, so what we will do? 6 is greater than 4. So that we'll check over here 6 is far away from 0. So we'll put over here 6, sign of greater than 4. Let us take example of numbers 5 and 5. As you can see on number line, 5 and 5. Both the numbers means it is same number only. It is equally distance from 0. So, how we will write? 5 sign of equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Now, let us quickly revise the 3 signs of less than, greater than and equal to. This is the sign of less than. This is the sign of greater than. And these 2 lines sign is equal to. Now, we'll take more example to clear your concept. 2, 7. 2 is near to 0 and 7 is far from 0. So, we'll put the sign of less than as 2 is smaller than 7. Next example, 6 and 2. 6 is far from 0 and this 2 is near to 0. So that 6 is bigger than 2. So which sign we will put? Greater than. 6 sign of greater than 2. Now third example, 8 and 8. 8 and 8, they both the numbers are equally distance from 0. So which sign we will put? Equal to sign. Now let us take more example to clear the concept. 2 and 3. 2 is near to 0 and 3 is far away from 0. So which sign we will put? Less than. As you know that 2 is smaller than 3. Now 5 and 2. 5 is far away from 0 and 2 is near to 0. So we'll put the sign of greater than. Now 0 and 9. 0 itself and the number 9 is far away from 0. So that we will put less than sign over here. 0 is smaller than 9. Now next number 6 and 8. We'll check on number line. 6 is near to 0 and 8 is far away from 0. So we'll put the sign of less than because 6 is smaller than 8. Now 4 and 0. 4 and 0. We'll check on number line. 4 is far away from 0 and number 0 itself. So we have to see that first digit only. So 4 is greater than 0. So we'll put the sign of greater than. Now next example, 3 and 1. 3 is far away from 0 and 1 is near to 0. So we'll put the sign of greater than. Now I hope all of you have cleared the concept with the number line greater than numbers and smaller than numbers. Thank you.